In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple tweaks that can massively boost FPS on low-end PCs. No downloads, no risky software, just hidden Windows settings. Let's start with the most important one. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Open the advanced options of apps you don't use. Scroll down to Background App Permissions and set it to Never. A lot of apps run in the background using RAM and CPU even when you never open them. Turning this off frees resources for your games. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Here you'll see programs that start every time you boot your PC. Disable everything you don't need. The fewer programs that start with Windows, the faster your PC becomes. Open Windows Search and type CMD. Right-click, Command Prompt, then Run as Administrator. Now paste this command. You will see it in the description. You can copy it from there and press Enter. Now open Control Panel, then Power Options. You'll see a new power plan called Ultimate Performance. Turn it on. This removes power limits and lets your CPU run at maximum performance. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc. Press Enter. Now find and disable services you probably never use. This reduces background processes and improves system responsiveness. Press Windows Search and type. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it. Select Adjust for best performance. This removes heavy visual effects that waste GPU power. Your system will feel much faster immediately. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe.